The Western Painted Turtle. The Western Painted Turtle is named after its colors. It has yellow on its head, arms, and legs. It also has a very bright red tummy. Let's watch this little guy climb up on a log. Look how he just pulls himself right up there. These turtles have webbed feet as well as slender claws. The male turtles have much longer claws than the females. They prefer to live in shallow lakes and ponds, oxbows, and wetlands. They are very social animals, and you'll always see them together with lots of friends. To avoid predators, turtles like to lay out on logs and rocks that are surrounded by water. They love the sunshine and stretching out their necks to catch the warm rays. Turtles can live up to 20 to 30 years old, and they measure up to 12 inches at their biggest. They also can dive up to 2 meters down deep in the water. Let's take a look at the turtle's red belly. You can see by these pictures why it's called the painted turtle. Remember how I said there are lots of living things in the oxbow? Well, here's a couple ducks for you, hanging out on the log with the turtle. There are so many animals that I've seen in this oxbow, and also animals that live around it or just come for a drink every now and again. Here's a list of animals I've seen hanging out at the oxbow. Frogs, lots of birds, way too many to name. Insects, skunks. Yes, I've seen skunks. Actually, a mama and her 3 babies hanging out around the oxbow. We've seen beavers as well as muskrats. We also see deer. The deer love to come. They actually walk through the water in the oxbow. They run around with their young babies, and it's pretty amazing and really special to watch. The Western Painted Turtle is the only native pond turtle left in British Columbia. The Western Painted Turtle is a vulnerable animal, and what that means is they are low in numbers. Because of their habitat constantly being destroyed by pollution, by us building homes and different things like that, a lot of the wetlands are being covered up or filled with dirt, so we are losing a lot of our turtles. But people can help by taking care not to disturb their habitat and protecting known areas where these turtles nest. Let's talk about how they nest and how they have their babies. Mother turtles lay their eggs around June or July. They can go up to 150 meters away from the pond where they live in order to lay their eggs. They do this to protect them from predators and to keep them safe. They lay anywhere from 6 to 18 eggs. They will dig a hole and then cover it gently with vegetation and debris that is in the area. These eggs will incubate, so basically they'll stay buried for 70 to 80 days until they hatch. This is their habitat. This is the oxbow. In the spring, the oxbow fills up with water. In the summer, this oxbow will be bone dry. The water totally dries up, And in the winter, the turtles will bury themselves at the bottom of the pond and hibernate. What do turtles eat, I wonder? What do you think? Are they vegetarians? Are they carnivores? Or maybe are they both? I'll give you a minute to think about that. They are opportunistic omnivores. And basically what that means is they eat all kinds of things. They eat aquatic delicacies like aquatic plants and algae. They also eat worms and frogs and snails and tadpoles. Basically, whatever they can get their little mouths on, they will eat. I really enjoyed learning all about turtles with you today and hope to learn with you again soon. Hi, boys and girls. Mrs. Fernandes here. I hope you had fun learning all about turtles with me today. I know I had fun making this video for you all, and hope to see you all very soon. Bye-bye.